Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my shop. Welcome to my channel. My name's Keith and I'm your host. Come on in. Let's see what our next video is all about. Alright guys, I brought you down here, share a little bit of doing a fit up in the field. I don't get a chance to do that too often. Anyhow, I've got the Skeg slid up in place here, and it's wrapped around the keel section here that Brian's added onto here. Originally this shaft was up around here, and the repower and the new shaft line came in, it came down, so he's added in all of this section down in here. All right, we're gonna have a pintle support for the rudder coming in here, and of course the shaft's gonna get cut off, and we're gonna finish manufacturing the shaft as well. And it's luckily he bought this material months ago, and he didn't have to pay the 50% hike there since April 1st. So we're real happy with our fit up here, and we've proven everything coming into play here. Our clearance here for the prop swing and the way the water is going to flow off of here, we're totally happy with everything. And we've already proven the rudder by putting the post down through here at the last visit and knowing exactly where we were at on that measurement there. And we're just really happy with our fit up here. So this is what the Skeg looks like in place, and we're comfortable enough now with all the features of this. We're going to go ahead and take back to the shop and completely finish it up in the shop itself, and then it'll be ready, it'll be done, and then we can move on to the next project here, the rudder and the shaft. It was fun taking this down there and fitting it up, and now we're ready to go ahead and create the surfaces that are being bridged right now by the strut and holding this piece off of this piece here. There's going to be three pieces. Basically, we're going to try to do it three pieces. One is going to be a piece that goes around this curve right here, and then one that lays down that side and one that lays down that side. We're probably going to take cardboard, lay it along here, and then make the pattern, and then lay that out, and then we'll start tacking, heat, bend, hammer, clamp, however we have to get that to fit in. But this piece right here, all right, this is my thinking, and just a couple minutes ago I cut this piece out of the plate. This is 3/8 thickness. This diameter is the diameter of this radius plus about 50 thousandths or so, because we think it's going to shrink somewhat when we shape this or deform this. So how do we make that into a cone? Okay, now this is just going to be a Hail Mary. I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to take this plate like that. I'm going to heat it with a torch because I don't think I'll be able to cold bend it the way I want to, and I think it'll easily happen with heat. So I'm going to heat that up. This is a 4-inch diameter, which is equal to this 4-inch diameter here, or just a little bit under. And then this flat plate is larger than this whole works. So heat that. I'm going to have this marked so I can set this like right in the center, right on the mark. So I'll probably put some punch marks in there so that they don't disappear. And then I'll lay this right on here, and then in the press we're going to press this till this comes into here. This height is the same height that we need right here, or close enough. We get it close, and then I'll be able to take and torch out the center and then cut our halves, and should have a piece that will take us 180 around there. That's the Hail Mary plan. Let's go see if it works. All right, we're checking all the way around here. We want that to be center of the push, okay? I think that'd be safe to say that's going to be there. This next piece, all we got to do is take our fingers and kind of like just get the feel of it. All right, now we need to go ahead and draw out and punch the center of this. So we're just going to make this roughly in the center here. All right, that looks pretty darn close right there. We're going to draw a circle around here, and we're going to throw some punch marks on it so that we'll be able to heat that, and if our blue line disappears, we'll be able to hold that somewhat in our spot of our center punches. And then after that, it'll be just lay this piece up on here, and we'll get it. All right, let me center punch that, grab the torch and a few other things, and we'll be right back. Are you ready? We had to recenter that because we were goofing around, and I know I moved it. All right. Back in there. Oh, we did get that center punched. And we can set that up there after we know it's hot and everything else, like right there. We'll be good to go. This plate's ready to go. I think the outside of the plate has got to be hotter than the center. The center doesn't have to be real hot. We're just going to go around the outside till we get a glowing red, or to that point. All the tricks of this are being made right now. Or you can ignore this entire video. This is the top now, but after we press it, it's going to be the bottom. Or the underside, I should say. Hey, let's see if it's hot enough. It's maxing out my press there, but I still see it moving down. Lacking about 1/8 of an inch of making that hole 1 inch in there. You know, pretty damn close. Pretty damn close. Did we call it enough? I don't think so. Well, not gonna let that out. Let's just see if we can get a little bit more heat in here. If I had a 5-horse pump or motor pushing this pump on this press, I probably would have got it. Hey, that's going to give us something. Hey, it's going to give us the basic shape to go around that corner somehow. All we need is a partial and we'll be good. Or a stainless steel cereal bowl. I think we got our cut line right there, and I think we'll probably pick the best radius on the outside here, and we'll cut that and our split line, and we'll go see how it looks on the Skeg. Awesome. I just thought I'd bring you along for that. Get her done. Okay, I'm holding it in there upside down and kind of let you see that it's going to make that radius there, and the punch marks is basically the 4-inch diameter. Looks pretty good. Hey, well, I brought it out here while it's still hot. I'm holding it with my pliers, but I had to see, okay, that height sets us up pretty good. I like that. All right, and this diameter fits right in there as well. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.